How to make a scrunchie. Measure fabric 22 inches by length and 3.5 inches wide. Cut your fabric measurements. Cut an elastic strip 9 inches long. Fold the fabric in half and sew by the raw edges. You can also press your fabric. You can use a safety pin to attach to the fabric so you can turn your fabric inside out. Once you turn your fabric inside out, I recommend to press the fabric. Insert your elastic into the tube by attaching a safety pin onto the elastic. You can attach a safety pin to the other end so it won't pull out. Tie the elastic ends together and top stitch the ends. Enjoy your new scrunchie!